Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art, which is really sharp, pretty clean, of a hand, and they want to put a picture. They asked me not to use the picture they sent me, so I just picked one off the internet and make it look like it's in this square, and they can't quite comprehend how to do it. This would be very easy. What I would do is left click, right click, so you just have an outline of that phone. And then I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from that node and hold down the control button and just, well, you can see that the phone's not square, so I'll go right there about to that node. And then I'm going to take that node. So what I'm doing, I'm making I call it a well. Now this one I am going to hold down the control button. So you see I've made a place where the Smart Fill tool cannot leak. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, doesn't matter what color, and look at that. Then I can left click, right click, and I go ahead and take away my lines so they won't forget about them. Then do not move this. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and fill this in with black again. Do not move this because you've nudged this. Move your picture. Pretty much like right there or wherever. Select them both and go right here to intersect. And voila, that picture now looks like it's on that phone. Pretty cool idea. I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.